What is artificial imagination? Artificial imagination is a technology that uses machine learning algorithms to generate creative outputs like art, music, and even stories. It's like having a machine that can dream up ideas and create something new and unique. And the best part is, it can be used for commercial purposes. So, how can we profit from artificial imagination? There are several ways to profit from artificial imagination. One of the most popular ways is by selling the creative outputs generated by the technology. For example, you can sell the art created by an AI algorithm as prints, posters, or even as NFTs. How can we use artificial imagination to make money? Another way to make money with artificial imagination is by using it to solve real-world problems. For example, you can use AI-generated music to create soundtracks for movies or video games. This can be a lucrative business, as music is an essential part of many creative works and can greatly impact their success. You can also use AI-generated text to create content for blogs, social media, or even marketing campaigns. This is a great way to save time and money on content creation while still producing high-quality and engaging content. Additionally, you can use AI-generated images to create designs for products or marketing materials. This can be especially useful for businesses that require a large volume of designs, such as t-shirt printing or custom merchandise. Another option is to use AI-generated videos to create promotional content for businesses or even for YouTube channels. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for profit is significant. With artificial imagination, you can turn your creative ideas into valuable assets that can generate income for years to come. Artificial imagination is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize the creative industry and generate profits for those who use it. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, you can use artificial imagination to create something new, unique, and profitable. So why not give it a try and see what you can create?